Gather around. This place deserves a storybook story time. Tucked away in the mountains on the naturally wild side of the Smokies is a town so charming it feels like the setting of a classic film. But this isn't a movie set. This is Bryson City. And my hiding spot? Welcome to the Fryemont Inn. Built in 1923 and home to the mountain's first Olympic-sized swimming pool, this historic mountain lodge has welcomed travelers for more than a century. Step inside, and time begins to slow down. Towering eastern hemlocks stand like quiet guardians around the inn, their branches creating a canopy that has sheltered generations of guests. Surrounded by giant trees and fresh mountain air, it's easy to forget the rest of the world exists. Stories are shared around the crackling fireplace. Strangers become friends over a game of chess. Every hallway, every porch, and every rocking chair holds a little piece of mountain history. The beautifully preserved rooms and cozy cabins blend timeless charm with simple comfort, making you feel like you've stepped into another era. Wake up to crisp mountain air. Sip your morning coffee beneath the towering trees. Listen as the Smokies slowly come alive around you. There isn't another place quite like this. The views can't be copied. The feeling can't be manufactured. And the memories, they seem to write themselves. Then comes dinner. The Fryemont Inn serves some of the finest home cooking in Bryson City, where every meal feels like it was made just for you. Their fresh local trout is the kind of dish you'll be talking about long after you've packed your bags and headed home. So, did you find me? You'll find me where mountain traditions still thrive, where every stay becomes a story, and where timeless adventures are still being written. You'll find me at the Fryemont Inn. But wait, our game of hide and seek isn't over just yet. We wouldn't be exploring the southern Smokies without uncovering the story that began it all. A living museum. The history of this land runs deep, and my next adventure takes me closer to its roots than ever before. Think you can guess where I'm headed? From August 10th through the 24th, find me if you can.